back to another weekend getaway. So we're all packed up, as you guys saw just now, that we are ready with the caravan. Not 100% as I wanted yet, it's quite far from there actually. It's lifted and it's packed, the camping fridges inside, and well, unfortunately the mattresses for the beds, they are not dry yet after Ali, the car wash, washed them. So I've got two single bed mattresses that I'm going to put on there now, but they're a little bit big together, so we are going to just take my one knife and I'm just going to cut the one mattress so that it fits perfectly. And once we get back, I'll get those ones dry, or otherwise I'll just get a new mattress for it. We'll make it work. Anyways guys, we're busy driving with the Prado, pulling the caravan in the back, and it's so nice to have the Prado completely empty. Nothing rattling, there's no camping stuff in here, nothing. I've got one little crate in the back of the boot, and that's with all the 4x4 kit, with my compressor and snatch ropes and all those kind of things, and that's all I need inside. And then obviously I also have more space for the passenger. And guys, then we have the newest family member that joined us this weekend. So this is Stella, and she already knows her name clearly. Stella. So she's very happy because she just got a new toy and she's got some puppy snacks, so she's fine with taking the drive for the weekend. The sun is starting to head in the direction of going down. Erich and them and all the other people are already on their way. Not too long anymore and we should be arriving. And no tents this time, no rooftop tents to prep, no ladders, nothing. I open the door and I climb in bed. That is excellent.
Few inches later.
So we are approaching Klein Tafelberg now, and we're on the gravel road. Now, I don't know what it's with us and this gravel road, because every time we come here it feels like it's raining. The time we came with the Audi S5, it's also a video on the channel, there was definitely some rain as well the previous night, but this time there's been a lot of rain and this road is slippery and very, very muddy, and I can see on the caravan that there's a lot of mud on it. So we'll see how it looks when we get to the camping site. We are slipping and sliding all over this road. I must say it's a lot of fun though.
The next day.
Ja, maar ons is nog 4. Ja. Alright guys, so we're on our way with the 4x4 track, and yeah, so all indemnities are signed and we're on our way. So we are a few vehicles and you'll see them throughout the video. Let's see who performs the best. There's two Prados here, and yeah, I won't say who my money is on, but you can just imagine from previous videos. Wie se boom is daai? En hy daai.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Milkshake.
2.2 bar. Jee, maar dit is allemaal lekker. Ah, Simon! Ready? Net so, bietjie daai kant toe. Net so. Nou hier stadig nou. Nou draai in. Yes, net so. Lekker! Ja. Kijk, draai af. Stadig, draai af. Stadig, hou vast, hij komt stadiger. Hij uit water onder. Ja. Ja. Je was eruit komen. Hy het die irons nodig he.